Hello friends, so I'm going to talk about navigation rules in more detail, part 2 of the first video. So if you guys remember in the last video we saw, so in the last video, gmail.com, and if I enter incorrect password, then it comes up with a message that there is no handling for the failed outcome. Okay, so we are going to learn this one, and then we'll also create one reset button to reset these values to blank. So what do we need for that is, first of all, let's go to the editor. Let me just go to the faces config. So this is the file where we define the navigation rule. So rule is, in case of failed, there should be a scenario to hell. So like I'm at the home page index.html, and if I click on the submit button and if the outcome is success, user will be navigated to the welcome screen. In case of failure, nothing is there. So let's define a case. So let me just put this down here. So sorry, control Z. So if you see this one, my from view ID is same because the conditions are part of the same navigation rule. So my view is from is index.xhtml. If the outcome is success, go here. If the outcome is failed, navigate the user to error or error page. Okay, now we don't have the error page, so what I'm going to do is we'll create one error page here, and I'll call it as error page.xhtml. Let me just go here. On the error page, I can keep the back button, but I don't want anything to happen here for now. Okay, it's okay. I'll keep it same. So here what I want is, on the error page, I just want to display the user the error message. So error message will come from, it's here, error message. So I'm just going to update the error message here. You have entered incorrect email or password. Please. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, so this is what I want on my error page, and I also want to display the email ID. This could be your user ID as well, right? So you just mention this one. Let me just paste this one here. I want my error message to be down, and here is my email ID. So this email you can replace with the user ID as well. So, but for now I will just keep as it is. Okay. So what we have done is, this is my error page. So I'm just going to display the email ID entered by the user and the error message as well on the email page, and back button as it is. So this is my error page. So let me make something here. I'll put as h1 error page. Okay, so done. Let's go back to the code. Let's see what else we want. We want a button to reset the values. So what I'm going to do is, I will be creating a new method here. It says public string and reset now. What I want, reset, I want all the properties. So properties, set email to set blank. What else was there? Set email, and second property is password. Set password also blank. And what do I have? Set remember me is also, I think it should be false. No. Then blank. Let's see if it works. If this checkbox text as, or there is one more way to do this. Let me do that try first. What I'm going to do is, on click of reset button, I will return refresh. No, we have to put this too as well. Okay, so I'm just worried about the checkbox. Not sure whether this checkbox can take blank values. I'll just comment this one for now. Okay. Now on click of reset button, that is also on my home page, so I'll just handle this one here. So what I want is, in case of reset, navigate user to the home page, same page, index.xhtml. On click of refresh, on click of refresh. It should be reset actually, not refresh. Refresh is something else. Okay, so let's see what happens. Clean. I will just delete this. Okay, clean. Let me just create the EAR file quickly. Hello world.ear. If you guys have any problem, you can download the code. I'll mention the download link in the comment section. And if you still have a problem in downloading or in any other way, just let me know in the comment section. I'll respond as soon as possible. I just want to click this one. So just deployed is started. Going to test the application. Index. Finish. So what are we expecting? First we'll see how to handle the failed case, and then we'll talk about. Okay. Let's wait for the screen to come up. Okay, so I'm just entering my email ID. Okay, computing looks good if you enter proper things. Now, admin. So my incorrect password. What should happen? Let me enter correct one first. Admin123. Submit. So this is my working case. I'm on the welcome page. Let me go back. So on the home screen. Now, okay, computing. I'm entering a incorrect password. What I'm expecting, you should go to the, what do you call that, error page. So here, this is your error page for a word not found. Welcome user ID, basically my email ID. Welcome, you have entered incorrect email or password. So just let me get rid of this welcome first. Oh, come on. So now you guys can see, right, that retry. You have entered incorrect email ID or password. This message is coming from my code. Here, you have entered incorrect email ID and password. If I click on the back button, I'm expecting this user to go back to the home page because this is what the code looks like. One click of back button. So for not found, matching navigation case from error page to outcome is not there. Okay, so we don't have any matching case for this one. So I'll just quickly create one from error page. Okay. So what it says, from error page, if the outcome is back, navigate back to the home page. Okay. Now let's do one more thing was missing. We'll go and create the reset button here for us. So I'll just take this one. Not sure about the reset button, but let's see how it goes. Reset and sorry. No. Sorry, this is not the screen. I'm putting it in the wrong file. Let me go back to the index. So this is my main class. Just going to put here, and I'll call it reset. Method is reset. What do you think? Let's see. Let me go back to the this is my error. Let me go back. Okay, let me refresh if it works. No, have to restart. So I think let me just delete and restart so that I can show you that error page thing also should work fine for us. Okay, just create. I'll just quickly create hello, and then .er file. If I select here hello world, generate and finish, let me right click. I'm gonna sorry, there is nothing to publish. I'll add the project first and then so stopped. Starting. Okay, nice. Let me go back to the home page, run on server, finished. So wait for the screen to come up. So the target agenda of this video is to learn to handle all the navigation cases coming from the same screen and from different, if you see, from the welcome, from the error page, and we'll also see how to make use of a reset button. Oh, this is something happened, is it? Error page. Why? Submit button have already found in the view. Okay. Where do you see? Let me go back to the index dot. Where is submit button? Oh, button ID. Okay. Let me just change it to reset. I think I've closed the browser, which is not a good thing. Okay. Run on server. Tick, tick. I won't take more than 2 minutes, guys. Just let's see the output and then we are done. And so we have learned how to define managed bean. We have also seen the navigation rules. In the coming videos, we'll see the converters and validators. Okay, let me just put something here. Okay, computing@gmail.com. Password incorrect. Submit. So it says error page. Let's go back to the home. All good? Okay. Now let's learn about the reset. Let's see if it works. Password something, reset. It's gone. Everything is gone, right? So one thing was missing was that this one. Set remember me. Okay. So just let me print something sys out. I'll just type reset button. Clicked. Because I don't know if we can set blank value to the checkbox. So it's gonna be a learning for me as well. Let's see how it works. Project. Publish. Let me do it one more time. Sometimes it doesn't work. Like whatever I do here, right? It doesn't publish automatically. So then publish. Okay. Enough good. Let me just close this window, rerun the project. Run on server. Okay, it will just take few more seconds. Okay. So wait for the screen to come up and then we are almost done with this video. What I'm going to do is okay, computing@gmail.com. Password is admin123. So this is our case 1 when I'm entering everything good. Back to the home page. Now I'm entering incorrect values. It took me to the error page. Back. Now I just want to reset this checkbox as well. Reset. So these values are fine, but this checkbox is having a problem. So don't worry guys, I'll look into it and then I'll fix it because it's not simply as I mentioned in the code. You cannot simply put the blank to reset the checkbox. So that I'll see and I'll update the code. So that's it guys for this video. So we have discussed about the faces config, different navigation rules from different screens. We have also seen how to make use of reset button. Okay, we have created a few new UIs, error page, welcome page and all. So guys, thank you for watching.